Yes? No one?
Ma'am, Vivan will say, ma'am.
Vivan will say, very good, Vivan. Come on, Vivan. Come on, Vivan. Let's start.
Okay, say fast.
Slowly you have to say. Okay, all of, wait, Vivan. Vivan, wait, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, okay? Children, all of you stand up, join your hands and close your eyes. Come on, Vivan is going to say Kidzi anthem. Come on. Okay. Come on, join your hands and close your eyes, children. Start, Vivan. Kidzi anthem.
Yeah, written. Yeah, teacher. Loudly.
Vivan.
Loud, Amma.
Vivan. I'll say, will you repeat after mom, Vivan? Will you repeat after mom?
Yes.
Yes? Kidzi anthem.
Yeah,
You are within me.
yeah.
You are infinite. You are unique. My potential inside. You are the wings
Me?
beneath my flight.
You done
You,
my
d- you define me.
my potato.
My potential inside.
Today I pledge.
Today I pledge
Today I
with
pledge
all my might.
with all my might.
I shall achieve you.
My potato died.
My potential inside. Yes, very good, Vivan. And thank you so much. High five, Vivan. High five, Vivan. High five. Yeah. High five. Thank you so much, Vivan. Children, keep standing. Everyone, a big good morning to everyone. Unmute and say good morning, everyone. I want to hear good morning from everyone. Yes, Satvika, good morning. Zadi, Kartikeyan, Ashni. Ashni flying like butterfly. Ashni. Okay. Today, children, we are going to first do balance walk today. And then only we are going to do our warm-up activity. Are you all ready for that? Come on, all of you grab a book. Come on. Balance walk. All of you take a book. How will we walk? Yes, very good, Danvin and Vivan also good. Yes. Take a book, or if you have your slate also you can use. If you have your slate also you can use. Keep it on your head and balance walk. It should not fall down. Come on, Satvika. Walk. Yes. Ready?
It's Rakona.
Yeah, Zadi, come on. Kavyarni, Darshika. Is one by one mute yourself and walk, children. Come on. Nitek. Dev Krish.
इतना जोर से चलेंगे तो गिरेगा नहीं. धीरे धीरे
Slowly, you
चलो.
have to walk slowly, children. Yes. Don't hold it, Satvika. You should not hold the book. Without holding. Yeah, very good, Satvika. Well done. Next is Vivan. Come on, Vivan. Let me see. Very good, Satvika. Vivan, unmute and show me how you are walking. Very good. Tarnika. Wonderful, Tarnika. Very good. Danvin also good. Super. Danvin, Tarnika. Good, I saw. Vivan, playing. Oh, fell down. Okay, next. Who else? Dev Krish, come on, unmute and show me how you are walking.
Okay, come on. Get up, get up.
Come on, Dev Krish. Where is Dev Krish? Keep it on your head and walk. Take your hands off. Come on. Yes, 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 yes. Good, very good. Hashni, well done, Dev Krish. Well done, well done. Hashni.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, Hashni. Walk, Hashni. Very good, Dev Krish. Karthikeyan, still trying. Very good, Karthikeyan. Wonderful, Karthikeyan. Very nice. Very good, Ashni. Two barriers in your head. You're not allowing your book to fall down. Huh? Yeah, Darshika. Yeah, Kavyani,
I
walk.
want to man head
What?
head
Take a book, keep it in your head and walk. Yes, you remove your hairband. You remove your band and you walk. Now it will not fall down. Come on. Keep. Slowly you have to walk. Should not run. Slowly, steadily you have to walk.
slowly.
See, now it's not falling down, right? Very good, Kavyani. Come on, Darshika. Come on, Darshika. Well done. Okay, very good, Kavyani. Good. Very good. Darshika, finish? Yeah, Kavyani, I saw yours, ma. Very good. Yes, Darshika. Sitting or standing, Darshika? Are you sitting or standing?
Standing.
Sitting or standing?
Standing சொல்லுங்க.
Standing, ah. Are you standing? You don't look like you're standing. Come on, slowly, see? Okay, next, Janavi. Good. Aisa, Tarnika, Rohita, Vivan, Hashni, and then Dev Krish. Very good, Dev Krish. What is that, Dev Krish? Who bought you a car? Yes, who bought you a car? For what? For what? For what you got all these gifts?
Magic pen, ma'am.
Magic pen. Okay, very good.
1 minute, ma'am.
Sorry,
1 minute.
sorry, Dev Krish, I'm not able to hear you. Sorry.
We went on birthday function. He got a gift, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Very good. Nice. It's looking very nice. Okay, children, ready for the activity? Come on, all of you stand up. Children, everyone should dance. I must see everyone dancing. Or else from tomorrow onwards, I will not at all play the rhymes. Okay? You have to dance. I want to see everyone dancing. Okay?
Look for the Gummy Bear album in stores on November 13th with lots of music, videos, and extras. Oh, I'm a gummy bear. Yes, I'm a gummy bear. Oh, I'm a yummy, tummy, funny, lucky gummy bear. I'm a jelly bear. Yes, I'm a gummy bear. Oh, I'm a moving, grooving, jamming, singing gummy bear. Oh, yeah. Gummy, 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 gummy bear. Gummy, 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 gummy bear. Bing, 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 doody, body, bum, bing, bang, doody, body, bing, bang, doody, body, body, bum. Bing, 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 doody, body, bum, bing, bang, doody, body, bing, bang, doody, body, body, bum. Oh, I'm a gummy bear. Yes, I'm a gummy bear. Oh, I'm a yummy, tummy, funny, lucky gummy bear. I'm a jelly bear. Yes, I'm a gummy bear. Oh, I'm a moving, grooving, jamming, singing gummy bear. Oh, yeah. Free time, you can hide me. Free time, you can hide me. Gummy, 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 gummy bear. Gummy, 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 gummy bear. Bing, 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 doody, body, bum, bing, bang, doody, body, bing, bang, doody, body, body, bum. Bing, 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 doody, body, bum, bing, bang, doody, body, bing, bang, doody, body, body, bum. Oh, I'm a gummy bear. Yes, I'm a gummy bear. Oh, I'm a yummy, tummy, funny, lucky gummy bear. I'm a jelly bear. Yes, I'm a gummy bear. Oh, I'm a moving, grooving, jamming, singing gummy bear. Oh, I'm a gummy bear. Yes, I'm a gummy bear. Oh, I'm a yummy, tummy, funny, lucky gummy bear. I'm a jelly bear. Yes, I'm a gummy bear. Oh, I'm a moving, grooving, jamming, singing gummy bear. Oh, I'm a gummy bear. Yes, I'm a gummy.
Yes, very good, children. Very good. All of you clap hands for yourself. Very good. Clap hands for yourself. Come on. Dev Krish, nice. Zeddy, very good, Zeddy. Very nice, children. Clap hands for yourself. Come on, loudly clap hands for yourself. Yes. Come on, drink some water. We'll start with our attendance. Come on. Yes, are you all ready, children? Darshika.
Studying junior KG.
Very good, Darshika. Devarakshita. Absent. Dev Krish.
My name is Tekrosh. I am studying in junior KG.
Very good, Danvin.
Sunday.
My name is Danusa. I am in junior KG. I am 40 years old.
Very good, Danvin. Dikshan. Dikshan. No. Okay, Farnaz. Farnaz. Farnaz is also not there. Hashni.
My name is Sathini. I am studying in junior KG.
Very good, Hashni. Janavi.
My name is Johnavi. 10 junior KG. I am in Kidiga 4 years old.
Very good, Janavi. Kartikeyan.
Okay, ma'am. My name is Karthik. 4 years old.
Very good, Kartikeyan. Kavyani.
Mama. My name is Kavya. Hello, ma'am. My name is Kavya Ali. I'm studying in junior KG. I'm 4 years old.
Very good, Naitek.
My name is Naitik. I am studying in junior KG.
Very good, Naitek. Lukshita. Lukshita is absent. Okay. Pranita. 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 Pranita is not there. Okay, I'm marking you, Pranita. Rohita. Come on. Yeah. Very good, Pranita. Good. Rohita.
My name is Sajjan for the junior KG.
What is this, Rohita?
మళ్ళీ చెప్పు
My name is Sajjan.
Slowly, Rohita. My name is
My
Rohita.
name is Sajjan.
Everyone mute yourself, children. Mute yourself, children. Satvika, Siddharth, mute yourself. Very good, Rohita. Ritvik.
Ma'am, I am ready. I am studying in junior KG.
Very good,
I am
Ritvik.
4 years old.
Very good, Ritvik. Satvika. Satvika.
I am studying in junior KG.
Very good. Siddharth.
My name is Sudha. I am studying in junior KG. 5 years old. Good morning.
Very good. Tarnika.
My name is Tanika. I am studying in junior KG.
Very good, Tarnika. Vishank. Sorry, Tilakar. Tilakar. Okay, Vishank. Vishank. Vivan.
I am Viman. I study junior KG.
Okay. Zeddy. Zeddy.
I am 4 years old. I am studying junior KG.
Well done, Zeddy, and very good, Zeddy. I saw your homework. It was very nice. High five.
Thank you.
Yeah, good girl. Very good, Zeddy. Okay, thank you so much, children. We'll start with our rhymes. Today, I'm going to teach you a new rhyme, children. Okay, I'm going to teach you a spider rhyme. Yes, have you all seen spiders? Have you all seen spiders? Yes or no? No? Nobody has seen spider? Yes, where can you see spider?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Where can you see spider?
ma'am.
Huh? On the correct only, say Danvin, correct only. On the wall. Yes. Yes, we are going to sing a rhyme like that only. Let me show you the rhyme. It's in your book itself, children. Okay. If you want to take your rhymes book and see, you can see that. Okay.
చూడమ్మా సార్ కూర్చోమ్మా ఆపోజిట్లో కూర్చోకూడదు క్లాస్కి.
Yeah, this is your rhyme. Okay, this is your spider rhyme, and the name of the rhyme is Under a Web. Okay, it is in your rhymes book, children. Hereafter, I am going to show you the rhymes also, which is in your book. Okay, if you want to see, take your rhymes book and see the rhyme, you can see. Okay, under a web, beside a gate, the spider hangs his legs are 8. Above him flies the busy buzzing bee. 6 black furry legs as tree. One more time. Yes. Under a web, beside a gate, the spider hangs his legs are 8. Above him flies the busy buzzing bee. 6 black furry legs as she. Everyone listen, children. Unless you listen, you will not be able to sing the new rhyme. Okay, all these days we have been singing all the rhymes which you know only. Okay, today we are going to learn a new rhyme. So if you have a book also, you can take it. You want? Yes. Yes, very good, Rohita. Come on, if you want, take the book. Under a web, beside a gate, the spider hangs his legs are 8. Above him flies the busy buzzing bee.
Ma'am,
6 black furry legs are she. Yes? Who is going to sing along with ma'am? Who is going to sing? Naitik? Are you ready, Naitik?
Yes.
Come on. Sing along with ma'am. Ma'am will sing, then you sing after ma'am, okay? Under a web,
There a web
beside a gate,
beside the gate.
the spider hangs his legs are 8.
The spider answered a gate.
Above him
Above him
flies the
flies a
busy buzzing bee.
buzzing bee.
6 black furry legs as she.
She
6 black furry legs as she.
6
6 black furry
6 blackberry
legs has she.
that and she.
Very good. Under a web, beside a gate, the spider hangs his legs are 8. Beside him flies the busy buzzing bee. 6 black furry legs as she. Yes, you can see the bee also there. Yes? Under a web, beside a gate, the spider hangs his legs are 8. Above him flies the busy buzzing bee. 6 black furry legs as she. Okay? Very good. Okay, returning back. Try singing in your home also, children. Take your rhymes book, open your book and take the rhyme. Try singing on your own. Okay, children? And then we'll go on to our alphabet. Phonic sound. Who is going to read the phonic sound today? A, B, K. Who is going to read? Who is going to read? Come on, children. Who is going to read fast? Come on, Devkrish. Satvika, you finished, right? Okay, two lines. We'll share two lines, okay? First Devkrish, next Satvika. Okay, Devkrish, come on fast, Devkrish. Mava. Is this ma?
அங்கே பாரு.
Ba.
B K K D.
Meanwhile, others, please do the actions, children. I'm watching everyone. Please do the action for the alphabet. Come on. Very good. It's okay.
G G G.
Very good. Super. Thank you so much, Devkrish. Satvika, Sri, ready? Thank you, Devkrish. Well done. Satvika. Huh?
E.
E.
Ja.
Super.
Ka.
Very good.
E.
Very good, and thank you so much, Satvika. Next is Karthikeyan.
Mm.
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 Karthikeyan, you know the sound or not? You know it?
No?
Yes or no?
Sure.
You don't know.
Gotcha.
What is the sound of N?
Mm.
Next.
Oh, 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 oh.
Mm. Very good, Karthikeyan. Thank you so much. Next, who is going to say? It's going to be Vivan. Vivan.
Vivan.
Very good, Vivan.
Action.
Next. Yeah, next, Vivan.
Look there and say, ma.
Words.
Next.
Next one.
Very good. Very good, children. And next, who is going to say? This is going to be Zeddy. Zeddy.
Ma'am, JD one good way to washroom, ma'am.
Okay. Janavi, come on.
Washroom.
It's like a snowman and make it
Janavi.
Let me say.
Phonics sound.
You.
You
Okay,
are phonics sound.
Talk. I'll hear you speak. What is it? Sound. Mm.
You.
Hi. Don't look at him, Mama. Okay, Danvin. Next.
Yeah.
Okay, next.
Next. What is
Sattama.
the sound?
Sattama.
What is the sound? Yes? Okay, very good, Danvin. Children, will finish off with our sight words, okay? And then we'll start doing our worksheet. Okay. This week we started with A letter words, right? A-N. What is A-N? 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 An. A-T? A-T? Yes? At. Very good. Children, it is not necessary that I should call everyone and ask. If you are in your place itself, you can say the answer. I'm watching you, everyone. Don't be quiet. Okay, children? Then only you will learn the sight words. You can learn the sentences also. Okay, children? So, at. A-T. At. And then A-M. 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 Am. Very good. Only Danvin is answering. Others? A-N. A-N. An. An. And then A-S. What is A-S? A-S. As. Very good. Okay, today we are going to learn I letter words. Okay, children, are you all ready? What is the sound of I first? Come on, let me know the sound of I. What is the sound of I? Anyone? Unmute and tell me. What is the sound of I? I want to say, everyone you should say. What is the phonic sound of I? Yeah, very good. E. Okay, so, yes, same thing we are going to see. See here. I-F. If. If. I-F. If. Okay. And then I-S. Is. Okay. In. In. It. It. One more time. It. It. In. In. Is.
If.
E. If. Very good, Pranita. Well done, Pranita. E. If. Okay. One more time. What is this word?
If.
EF. It's not EF. E. If. 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 Okay.
Yes.
Is. Parents, don't teach them. They should understand and say this word. Please don't teach them. If they don't know also, it's not an issue. We'll teach them, but please don't teach them at all. Sight words, never teach them sight words. They have to recognize the word and answer. That is very important. Okay, they have to see, they have to recognize, and then they have to answer. Please don't help them in this. Okay, so first from the beginning we'll start. I'm going to show you all the cards and I'm going to ask you. Let me see how many of you are able to identify. Please, parents, I request you, don't help your children. Those who knows the answer. And one time if anybody is saying the answer, other time please don't answer. And Pranita, mute. Very good, Danvin, mute. Very good, Siddharth. At, very good. Next. IF, af. No, ma, it's IF. If, what is the sound of I? Ava, Tarnika? What is the sound of I, Kana? E, right? So, IF, if. What is it? If. Okay, so all the letters which I am going to show you now, it's going to be E. You have to pronounce it as E only, okay? If, IF, if. Next, Rohita. Very good, Rohita. Yes, very good. Next. Satvika. One by one only, Rohita, okay? Satvika. Look here, Satvika. What will be here? What is the word? What is the sound of I? Satvika, no playing, ma. Come on. What is the sound of I? Sound of I? In. Very good. In. Ritvik. Ritvik. Ritvik is not. Yes, Ritvik, come on.
Mom, I'm here, Mom.
Yeah, tell me, Ritvik. I can see you, Kana. Someone say.
What?
What? Asking your mama what? Then you didn't listen? In. Okay? What is it? In. No smiling. No smiling. Listen first. You forgot it. So sweet, Ritvik. In. Okay? And the next word also you are going to say. IF. Does it look like F? T. What is that? IT? It. Okay. IT. It. IN. In. Listen, Ritvik. IN. In. IS. 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 IF. If. Okay. Naitik, will you say? Thank you, Ritvik. Naitik, will you say? What is it? IF. If. Very good. Very good, Naitik. In. Very good. IT. It. Mama is teaching you. Okay. Siddharth. Next is Siddharth. No cheating, parents. Siddharth.
Yes,
Yeah, come on. Hashni, also say the answer, Hashni. I-N. Both of you. An. Is it an? Does it start with the letter A? No, right? I-N.
In.
Very good, Siddharth. I-N. In, Hashni. Okay? See, what is the sound of I? E, right? Is it A? If it is A only, you will say it as an. Wait, ma'am is going to show you. Now, which is an here? Come on, which is an here? Come on, identify both of you. Which is an? This is an or this is an? Which is an?
This is.
Pronounce. Pronounce.
This is.
Which is an? A-N is an or I-N is an?
Ian.
A-N. Okay, so I-N is in. Okay, next.
Yes.
I-S.
Yes. Ma'am.
What is the sound of I?
சொல்லுமா மேம் கேக்குறாங்கல்ல
Okay. wait. Give him time to react. That's mom. Wait. What is the sound of I? Very good. I is E and the sound of S is E is. Okay. Next.
Yes.
If. If. Okay. And then IT. IT. Yes, Mahashni. I'm here to teach you. Ask me whatever you want. Okay. IT. 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 Okay. Don't trouble your dad. Come on. You ask me. Okay. Children, next. Who is going to say? Whom I left out? Rohita and Danvin.
Yes, ma'am. Chappu.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, Rohita and Danvin. Both of you.
అదేంటి
IN.
చెప్పు ఏంటి సరిగ్గా ఈ అంటే ఇంకింత అని
IN in. Very good. IF.
గట్టిగా వెరీ గుడ్
Very good. If. IS.
ఇందాక చెప్పారు
IS. Is. Very good. IT. It. Okay, children. Okay, finish. We are finished with this. Then we are going to go to our worksheet, children. Today's worksheet, it's going to be D60LT. D60LT. Come on, take your worksheet, write the date and be ready. Today's date is 7/10/2020.
worksheet number ma'am
D60LT.
thank you ma'am.
This will be your sheet. Come on, write the date. Today's date is 7/10/2020. Yes, children, ready? Here you have M, N, O, P, Q, R. You are going to match the flowers with the birds. Sorry, it's not a bird. I think it's honeybee. Honeybee or butterfly, whatever it is. Bees only. Draw lines to match the letter on the bees with the letter on the flowers. Bees only. Come on. First, what is this alphabet? Can anybody tell me? This brown color flower, what alphabet is that?
N.
N. Brown color flower is N. Flower, flower. I'm asking the flower. Brown color flower is there? Okay, what alphabet? Very good. Small R. Now we are going to match to the B. Sorry, is it correct? Is it correct, children, what ma'am has done? Anyone? Children, is it right? Yes, sir. No, ma'am has done wrongly.
No.
Yes, what I have to match? What I have matched now?
Here.
Okay. Okay, very good. See, now I'm going to match.
Wrong.
Wrong. See? Very good, Siddharth. Okay, now again I'll match, okay? Now find it whether it is right. Correct? And next, ma'am is going to match N. And then here we have a small flower here. What alphabet is this?
What?
Down. Down we have a small flower here. What alphabet is this?
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Look.
You finished.
Request.
Children, you are all very smart children. Not even waiting for ma'am. M. And then O. And then Q. Yes.
Ma'am finishes us up.
Yes, ma. Yes, Rohita.
When the
Good.
ma'am finishes us homework.
Very good, Rohita. Okay, now take the max worksheet. It is also D60. LS. It is empty. Max worksheet. Yeah, ma. Finish. Very good. Take the max worksheet, ma. Who is going to count along with ma'am today? Who is going to count? Kavyani is going to count along with ma'am. Kavyani. Kavyani.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, count, Kavyani. Count with ma'am. Are you ready? Shall we count, Kavyani? One now. No. Group. You have to count in group. 10, 20, 30, 20, 30, 40. 40, 40.
40.
Yeah. 40, 40. Come on, write everyone. It's very easy. Come on, write fast. Very good. Naitik is writing good. Vishank is there. Vishank. Vishank.
Sorry, ma'am, I'm late. Sir.
Okay, actually I marked him as absent. That's it.
Sorry, I'm late. Sorry, ma'am.
Sorry, ma'am. I'm late, ma'am.
Okay, it's not an issue, Kanan. Come on, write. I marked you, okay? I marked you as present. Are you writing, Vishank? Yes, come on, anyone, unmute, spell and write. Come on, 4040. Spell and write. Let me see anyone.
సరే తల్లి నువ్వు చెప్పు 4040 అని
4040.
Is Ritvik? Danvin, good. Ashmi, good. Yes, very good, Ritvik. Come on, write. I don't think so. You are writing, Ritvik. What are you doing, Ritvik?
చెప్పు
Very good. Satvika is going to finish. Very good. Janavi? Janavi, are you writing, Janavi?
ఓకే వచ్చిన పాటిస్తాను
Very good. Okay, Rohita, mute yourself. Very good, Rohita. Danvin, very good. Mute yourself. Nice. Come on, Janavi, now you spell and write. Let me see.
Yeah.
Spell and write 4040.
Mommy.
What, ma?
Yes, ma'am. I think she said, and this is a 4040. What is a 40? 40, and this is called a 4.
So, Janavi's
She is
mom very.
making a rhymes for a 40, ma'am.
That's
40,
what. It's
40,
very
40.
difficult to handle her. Really, I'm not even able to understand what she is speaking. Janavi, this much fast you are talking, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Mm. Next. Who else?
Finish, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Very
can you
good,
stop
Dhanvi.
writing for
Zeddy. Zeddy. Come on, Zeddy. Right, Zeddy. Come on. Zeddy, if you are not writing, ma'am is not going to talk with you. No activity. Today we have coloring activities, Zeddy. Finish fast. We are going to draw and color. Those who finish, take your rough notebook and crayons. Come on. Be ready with that. Finish fast, then only we will draw. Otherwise, we will not have time, then I'll go. If you want to draw, you have to write, Zeddy. Come on. Vishank. Very good, Ashni. Good. I saw you while writing, Ashni. Good. Good, Ashni.
finished myself?
Ma'am, I'm finished.
Very good, Siddharth. I know you will finish. Very good. Come on, take your rough notebook. What? Mango instead of zero? Mango in that. Okay, children. Come on, children. Very good. Start again. Finish.
Yes, ma'am.
It's ma'am.
Very good, ma.
Finished, vanilla, ma'am.
Very good. Kavyani also finished, huh? Sit, Kavyani. First, sit down. Sit, sit. No, you didn't finish. What is this? I'm not able to see yours. Yes, very good, Jay Krish. Sorry, Dev Krish. Pranita, good. Tarnika, good. Pranita, good. Vishank, I want to see yours, Vishank. Kavyani, finish, ma?
Finished,
Nightik, very good, Nightik. Take your rough notebook
finished, ma'am.
and bring your crayons. Come on. Very good. Good, good. Good, Kavyani. I thought you didn't write. Kavyani, be ready with your rough notebook and crayons. What, you want to sleep, Kavyani? I saw. Yeah. Satvika, good, ma. Take your rough
Sorry,
notebook and
ma'am.
crayons.
She is suffering from cold, so that she can't able to
Okay,
sit.
okay. Okay, no problem, no problem. Are you okay now, Satvika? Are you okay now? Zeddy, still writing, Zeddy? Zeddy.
Finished, ma'am.
Very good, Ritvik. Come on. Take your rough notebook and crayons. Come on.
Ma'am, no,
Very good. Zeddy is writing. Very good, Zeddy. Ritvik, tell me, ma. What, ma?
faster, is a faster.
You wrote for very fast. Very good. Ritvik is a superstar. Very good. Come on, Ritvik. Take your rough notebook. Zeddy. Finish karo, Zeddy. Time up, Zeddy. We are going to draw. I'm watching you, Zeddy. Come on. Good girl. Come on. Yes. Fast, fast writing. Come on. Don't write slowly. Write fast. Write fast. Come on. Come on, ma. You don't want to draw and color, Zeddy? Then others will draw and color. Then you will be writing. I don't know, Zeddy. Yes, come on. Only 2 pages worksheet, right? Children, we have 5 pictures here. Okay? Out of these 5, whatever you want to draw, you can draw. Yes? Come on, look at the picture and draw. I think we have finished with the butterfly and we have finished with the cat. Left out is dog, bat, and rat. Yes, if you want to draw a rat, you can draw. First, draw a circle, then oval, then hands, you have to draw rectangles. And then again 2 circles for the ears, 2 circles for eyes, 1 triangle for the nose. Okay, we'll do the rat itself. Okay, okay, rat. Now it's clear, children. Draw the rat. Come on. Darshika, come on, try. Pranita, try drawing, Pranita, come on. Take your notebook and draw.
அதே மாதிரி போடுங்க சர்க்கிள். இங்க போடுங்க சர்க்கிள். இங்க நல்ல ரவுண்டா.
Satvika, try drawing it, Satvika. First a circle, draw the face first. Everyone first draw the face. And then you move on to the body part.
இந்த மாதிரி ரவுண்டா போடுங்க. ரவுண்ட். ஓ போடுவீங்களா?
Yes, Ritvik, try drawing, come on. Oh, that much big round circle. Then where will you draw the body? Children, you can use your mama's bangle also to draw the head. Freehand drawing, if it is not comfortable for you, you can use.
I need a square picture. I want a square picture.
What, ma, Ritvik? What do you want?
I want a square picture.
Square. You're going to draw the cat.
No, not ma'am. Down you showed that one picture. Ma'am.
Oh. Bat, huh?
Bat, I think, ma'am.
Yeah, bat.
It's bad, Mama.
Why? This is very difficult. First you draw this, then we'll draw the bat. Okay?
No.
No, huh? Okay, I'll show you. Wait. Okay? This one.
Right.
Yes? Happy? For everything you will cry, Ritvik? No.
Happy.
Happy. Okay, good.
Down your mouth.
Very good. Don't cry. Come on, right.
I'm sitting here, ma'am.
Yes, who's it?
Anthony.
Ashini, finish. You drew a cat. I told you to draw the rat. Hmm? Okay, come on, draw the bat also. Come on. Yes, Tarnika.
Ma'am, acting.
1 minute, ma. I'll come back. Wait.
Ma'am, show me the red picture.
Show me the rat picture. Wait. Okay, here. Children, draw, okay? 1 minute.
Ma'am, finish.
Who, ma? Who's that?
GD.
Ready? Finished writing or finished drawing?
Writing on the drawing.
Yes, ma.
Ma'am, writing.
Writing finished. Come on, draw. 1 minute. I'll share my screen. 1 minute. I'm not able to share.
Ma'am, draw also finished, ma'am.
Drawing also finished. Colored.
No, ma'am, colored no.
Head blue color. Body part yellow color. Legs and hands green. And the tail with red.
Ma'am, can you share the rat picture, ma'am?
That's it. I'm not able to share. That's what I'm searching. Trying all these things. 1 minute.
Finish, Vanilla, ma'am.
Finish, ma. Okay, 1 minute. One minute. I'm trying to share 1 minute.
Finish, ma'am.
1 minute, ma.
Okay. Vanilla, ma'am. Vanilla, ma'am. Vanilla, ma'am. Hold on. Sultani Simon. Vanilla, ma'am.
Yes, Rohita. Are you able to see the screen, Rohita?
Vanilla, ma'am, Miyama. Catches or something.
English law. I'm finished.
Is anybody able to see my screen? Please tell me. Is
No, ma'am.
anyone able to see my screen?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
It's visible. Okay, now finish drawing it. Come on. Let's finish coloring also, children. Finish. Yes, very good.
Vanilla, ma'am.
Yes, ma.
Food.
No. Look.
Ma'am, you are talking on mute.
Sorry. Let me take a snap. Please show me your picture. Sorry.
I'm Pranita.
Yeah, Pranita. Yes, good, Pranita. Good. Who else?
I'm Pranita.
Very nice, Pranita. I took a snap. Next, who else?
Vanilla, ma'am.
minute, Tarnika. Yes, Tarnika. Yeah, 1 minute, children. 1 minute. I'll call one by one. 1 minute, children. Yeah, took. Thanks, Tarnika. Next.
Rohita.
Harshini. Yeah. Yeah, Harshini. Show me your face, Harshini.
Rohita నీ ఫేస్ కనిపించలే
Yeah, Harshini.
ఫేస్ కూడా కనిపించలే పెట్టుమా అలా ఉండదు
I took. Rohita.
அப்படி பண்ணாதே மேம் கிட்ட பேசாம
Yeah, I took. Yes, Dhanvin. Yeah, show me Dhanvin. Yeah, I took. Thank you, Dhanvin. Next, very nice, Dhanvin. Next, who else? Nightek. Did you finish? You are coloring, okay. Uma, tell me your name. Karthikeyan, okay. Show me Karthikeyan closely. Little bit higher. Yeah. One more time. Yeah, good. I took. Next. Darshika. Little bit closer, Darshika. Yep. I'm not able to see Darshika.
Is it visible, ma'am?
No. I don't know. I'm not able to see. Jana, you finished? Yeah, Nightek, show me.
Janvi, show your picture.
Yeah, good, Nightek. Next. Janavi. Come on, Janavi. Show me. Dev Krish.
I'm Janvi's picture.
1 minute. Yeah, Dev Krish, I took you. Janavi, I'm waiting for
Yes,
you.
ma'am, this is Janvi's picture, ma'am.
Yeah. Oh my
Like your
God.
David one.
Janavi, I'm very frightened, Janavi. Next, who else? Vishank. Did you finish, Vishank?
Ritwik, ma'am.
Yeah, Ritwik, I took that. I took Ritwik. Vishank, I'm waiting, Vishank. Vishank, finish.
No, ma'am, he's not drawing.
Why, ma?